In this video, we're going to show you how to organize notes in Obsidian. Organizing your notes effectively is one of the best ways to get the most out of Obsidian. Whether you're managing personal knowledge, research projects, work documents, study materials, or creative ideas, a well-organized vault can help you find information faster and work more efficiently. However, as you continue adding notes over time, your vault can become cluttered if you don't have a clear organizational system. Finding specific information may take longer, and related notes can become difficult to track. The good news is that Obsidian provides several built-in features that make note organization simple and scalable, even as your collection grows. By the end of this video, you'll learn a practical method for organizing notes and maintaining a clean, easy-to-navigate Obsidian vault. So let's get started. The first step is to create folders for your main categories of information. Open the File Explorer panel and click the New Folder button. Create folders based on your needs, such as work, personal, projects, research, study notes, or content creation. Next, move existing notes into the appropriate folders. This creates a basic structure that makes your vault easier to browse. After that, use clear and descriptive note titles. Well-named notes are easier to identify and locate when searching your vault. You can also add tags to notes that share common topics. Tags allow you to group related information together, even if the notes are stored in different folders. Another useful feature is properties. Properties let you store metadata, such as status, category, priority, project names, or creation dates, helping you organize notes more efficiently. Next, create links between related notes whenever possible. Linking notes helps build connections between ideas and creates a more powerful knowledge network within your vault. As your vault grows, these connections make navigation much easier. You can also use Obsidian's search feature to quickly find notes using keywords, tags, or property values. In most situations, combining folders, tags, properties, and links provides an effective organizational system. Now let's quickly recap what we covered. First, create folders for your main categories. Second, use descriptive note titles, tags, and properties to organize information. And third, link related notes together to build a connected knowledge base. Remember that note organization is an ongoing process that evolves as your vault grows. Using Obsidian's organizational features consistently can help you find information faster, reduce clutter, and improve productivity. This is especially useful for large vaults containing hundreds or even thousands of notes. Taking the time to create a simple organizational structure today can save countless hours when managing information in the future. And that's how to organize notes in Obsidian. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who use Obsidian. Your support helps us create more tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and productivity tips to help you get the most out of your digital tools. If there's another Obsidian feature or issue you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.